Between AAP and Congress, AAP MP Raghav Chadha has said talks are going on between both parties. He said that both discussions have been going in a positive environment. Both parties have been trying to fight elections together for the welfare of the people of Haryana. As per our sources, AAP-Congress alliance talks are going in a positive direction and a decision could come out soon. Let's listen in to Raghav Chadha's latest statement.
व्यक्तिगत बयानों पर या इंडिविजुअल सीट्स पर कोई बयान नहीं देना चाहता। मैं बस इतना आपको कह सकता हूं कि अलायंस को लेकर दोनों दलों में आरजू भी है, हसरत भी है, उम्मीद भी है।
देरी नहीं
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
राघव जी, इसका फायदा बीजेपी
नहीं, देखिए अभी तो आखिरी तारीख नॉमिनेशन की 12 तारीख है। 12 तारीख से पहले फैसला ले लेंगे और अगर मन नहीं मिले या अगर विन विन सिचुएशन नहीं हुआ तो फिर छोड़ देंगे।
तो 90 सीटों पर आम आदमी पार्टी
अभी देखिए मैं अभी कोई इस प्रकार के मैं बयान नहीं देना चाहता। बातचीत चल रही है, बातचीत सकारात्मक वातावरण में चल रही है, अच्छी चर्चा हो रही है और मुझे यकीन है, मुझे विश्वास है, मुझे उम्मीद है कि ज़रूर कुछ अच्छा निष्कर्ष इन बातचीत से, चर्चा से हरियाणा के हित में, देश के हित में, लोकतंत्र के हित में निकलेगा।
बात बन गई है।
बहुत शुक्रिया। नहीं, मैं आंकड़ों की बात आप सबसे साझा नहीं कर सकता। कोई देखिए मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, कोई दूसरी पार्टी के नेता का बयान हो, मेरी पार्टी के नेता का बयान हो, कोई व्यक्तिगत सीट का मामला हो, मैं किसी भी व्यक्ति पर या सीट पर टिप्पणी नहीं करूंगा। मैं एक मोटे तौर पे जो चर्चाएं चल रही हैं उसके बारे में आपसे बातचीत कर रहा हूं, साझा कर रहा हूं। उम्मीद है कि जल्द हम सब आपसे मीडिया के भीतर आकर रूबरू होंगे और कुछ गुड न्यूज आपको देंगे।
Shubh Rana is joining us for more details on this story. Shubh, clearly, of course, it seems that Aam Aadmi Party Congress alliance could be finalized very, very soon. What's the latest you're hearing from your sources?
Yes, definitely, because Aam Aadmi Party has two stands clearly, because from Aam Aadmi Party, Raghav Chadha is continuously having a word with Congress, but also Sandeep Pathak, who is in charge of, Aam Aadmi Party elections in Haryana, he have yesterday stated that Aam Aadmi Party is capable enough to fight on all the 90 seats, but the decision will be finalized from the high command, which is Arvind Kejriwal. But today's statement made by Raghav Chadha, he have been saying that he is hopeful of Congress and AAP alliance, and he have said that talks are going on between two parties for alliance, and last date of filing nomination is September 12th. That means only 4 days are to go, and the seats have to be finalized. Therefore, Aam Aadmi Party is hopeful, but on other stand, just to state that the Aam Aadmi Party is capable enough, because yesterday also Sunita Kejriwal was having rallies in Haryana on all the seats, whether we have seen Bhagwant Mann also campaigning in Haryana, but Aam Aadmi Party is clearly giving a message. But as per our sources are saying that Aam Aadmi Party is clearly demanding 7 to 10 seats, but Congress is ready to give them 5 seats. This is what our sources are indicating, but yet the finalization of the seats is yet to be confirmed by them. But Aam Aadmi Party clearly has been having a word with Congress, because they have been saying that they need 10 seats, but the decision from the high command, that is Arvind Kejriwal, would be finalized for this upcoming Vidhan Sabha election.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.